Hello guys, how's it going? So today I'm gonna show you step by step how to use CHIPEX kit. So we've got CHIPEX paint, we've got CHIPEX blending solution, and we've got CHIPEX polish. So these three bottles, we've got these tiny brushes. Here we go. We've got cloth, another cloth for the polish, and this tiny thingy. Right, the first step is CHIPEX paint. So just all you have to do is just give it a nice shake and it's ready to use. So paint, one brush, let's go. Dip this brush inside the paint. There we go. As you can see, there is a small chip. All you have to do, just give it a small, here we go, give it a small touch. Not so much, just a tiny bit.
2 hours later.
Now we're gonna see the result of the CHIPEX. All right, yeah, actually, yeah, it does looks much better than it was before. I had like small chips. You could probably can see all over the bonnet. Yeah, look, this one, those ones. These all small tiny holes full of rust, and now it looks actually much better, especially when you use well cleaner before painting to get rid of rust. Okay, now when I've done the paint, I use this blending solution. So basically I apply just a couple of drips. Let me show you. Here we go. So this blending solution basically like a couple of drips, and then can you see this bump? Now we're just doing this movement very carefully, no pressure. No pressure at all. Just a little bit of patience. Trust me, it was a deep chip before there, and now this is just like a small spot you can barely see. Okay, this is a good example. Can you see this bump, and can you see this chip? It's nice and smooth. Try to show you closer. Look, it actually works well. You just need to understand how to use it. Takes a while, but now I show you and you're gonna know. Okay, next step is CHIPEX polish. We've got this bottle of polish, CHIPEX polish, and cloth. I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna need not much, but a tiny bit. Hopefully you can see it. Nothing complicated. Just apply this polish liquid on the spots where the chips was, and just give it a nice polish. Guys, trust me, the result is so good. This is my first time. If I would do it the second time, it would look much better, but I'm quite happy with this result. I'm quite happy how it looks now. because before all of these small tiny spots was full of rust all the time, because you know the climate in UK is so wet, and now all of these spots covered with paint. It's gonna save your car. Look, and this rust will not spread around. It's excellent. I'm very happy with this result. Look, it's amazing. It looks amazing, and now I recommend this CHIPEX to everyone. Guys, it's gonna save your money, it's gonna save your time, it's gonna save your, because as a perfectionist, it actually so pissed me off all the time. And now it looks much better, and now I'm so glad with the result. So guys, the CHIPEX, I highly recommend it. It's actually so good. Now you know how to use it. I hope I did explain it. It's understandable for you how to use it. Yeah, it's good. And the cost is, for this kit, for the CHIPEX kit, I paid 40 quid. Not too much. Trust me, if you go to garage and the specialist gonna get this work for you, he's gonna charge you at least 200, maybe more, but I spent only 40 quid. It's all done.